Well, guys, we've got amazing prizes to give away today, but I need to tell you about the Fischertechnik's robot kits that we're giving away today. So all you have to do is log on www.fischertechnik.co.za and tell us when Fischertechnik was established, and you guys could win amazing Robotechnik starter kits.
Yeah, we're going to find out more about them, but obviously to tell you more about them, we need someone who knows something about them, and that person is Dirk Fischer, who's sitting right over here. Welcome to HIP2B2, Dirk.
Thank you very much. Great
Thank you for being here today and for bringing some of your toys along with you.
My pleasure.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about Fischertechnik, but obviously you can't give away when it was established.
Yeah, no, Fischertechnik it's a German product, and it's educational building sets and robotic sets, and it's great, very versatile from kids of 5 years old all the way up to industry robots, and it uses simple building parts to make these complex machines that wow everyone, and that's what's so great about it. In the robotic side, it combines mechanics, electronics, and programming, and that's it.
Okay.
Dirk, can you tell us about the practical application of these simulation machines?
Yeah, so here we've got the high-end, almost industry robots,
okay.
And this is used practically for training and for simulation by various manufacturers, and they simulate the entire manufacturing process, and they can see how to set up the factory, they can train their staff with it, and they can optimize the factory conditions.
Okay, can you give us a little demonstration of how this one works?
Yes, certainly. So you've got a conveyor belt, and there you've got your items coming out of the conveyor belt.
Okay.
And there you've got a simulator that is like a drill, so if you had to drill something in it. And yeah, after it's drilled, it goes on, and the entire process you can see is completely automated.
Wow.
And this one will go out to one bin, and then if you go for the next one, it'll go through the same. But every now and again in a manufacturing plant, you want to do some quality control.
Mm-hmm.
So some you want to send into a different direction so they can be quality checked. So this one, instead of going down, it will go to the quality area section. There you see, there it goes.
Okay.
And over there we've got an air suction pump. You can see there it sucks it, and now it'll move it, and it'll put it down, and it will stay there some time so someone can inspect it. And the whole process repeats itself all the time.
Okay. Now, which companies use these sort of setups before they build their factories?
Well, various companies. I mean, globally, Porsche, BMW, Daimler, Chrysler.
Wow.
And you can see, so these ones specifically combine the Fischertechnik models with Siemens controllers, and then Staudinger is the company that assembles this almost for the manufacturing plants.
That's amazing.
Right. Dirk, now, at what age can you start building these Fischertechnik, or start getting involved rather in this Fischertechnik simulation machines?
Well, that's what's great about it. You can really start from about 5 years old, because you literally just start with almost the mechanical side of it, and as you get older, say about 10 years or so, then you really add the electronic side to it. The programming is very straightforward. Anyone can do it. It's really drag and drop. It's like a PowerPoint. And then, yeah, and something like this, they typically would use it at university level, and an industry applications.
Yeah.
Okay, so the two sets we're giving away, one is the Robo Starter Kit, and the other one is the E-Tech Kit. Can you tell us about each of these sets? Because hopefully 2 people are going to walk away with these prizes today.
Sure. Well, the E-Tech is a mechanic set that then has some additional electronic components. It's got a motor, sensors, and so on. So you can motorize almost any application, like a garage door and things like that. And then the Robo Starter set is basically the same, but it also comes with a controller. So the controller you can control you can write code on it on the PC, and then download onto the controller, and then you can literally do anything with it. Wow. So the E-Tech has just got some embedded logic, while the Robo Pro has got a full-on controller.
Okay, so it's important that you have a computer in order to work with these sets.
Well, just for the Robo Starter, the E-Tech is just embedded logic, so it's just switches.
All right,
Awesome.
so it's already been programmed, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.